Linux Mint versus Ubuntu versus Zorin OS. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare Linux Mint, Ubuntu, and Zorin OS, three of the most popular Linux distros for beginners. So you can pick the one that actually fits your lifestyle and workflow. Let's start with Ubuntu. It's the most widely used Linux distro for a reason. It just works. Solid hardware support, regular updates, and a huge community behind it. Perfect if you're new and want something modern and reliable. Great for developers or anyone who wants a stable system that keeps up with the latest software. Now let's talk about Linux Mint. Mint is like Ubuntu's older cousin who likes things just a little more simple. It's super smooth, feels familiar, especially if you're coming from Windows, and doesn't change too much between versions, which means fewer surprises and more comfort. If you want everything working right out the box, Mint might feel like home. Finally, there's Zorin OS. Zorin is built specifically for people switching from Windows or Mac OS. In fact, it even has a Windows look mode, so things feel instantly familiar. Lightweight, fast, and great for older machines or family members who just want things to work without tech headaches. So which one is better? If you want a solid all-rounder with strong support, go with Ubuntu. If you prefer a slightly more polished desktop experience, try Linux Mint. And if you're all about ease of use and making Linux feel familiar, Zorin OS could be your move. All three are awesome, just built for different kinds of users. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.